and next morning it was still fully inflated, and then a couple of 3 days later it was still fully inflated. Oh, that's top job, that's done it, as, and I've just come to it even though I've not used it, and we are flat, totally flat. The slime has failed, so I'm going to pump it up and hope it gets me through tomorrow. But so, final evaluation of my slime episode with the log trolley wheel is operator error. I do believe the valve was no good. So here's me putting slime in it when I don't actually think it got a puncture at all. I put a new valve in this morning and we've been up on it all day, full loads, and it's been doing tickety-boo, so that's good. As for a full-on slime review, well, that may be for a future episode, because as of today it looks like the slime has worked, because it was the valve that was the problem. Anyway, I hope that's been of some help. It's probably been more useless than useful, but it was an interesting experiment. Lesson is, check your valves before you go and spend on slime. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you on the next really bad review.